Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely disable history saving in Google Chrome. If you want to protect your privacy and prevent Chrome from recording any of your browsing activities, follow these steps. The quickest and easiest way to prevent Chrome from saving history is by using Incognito Mode. To open this mode, simply press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac. When browsing in Incognito Mode, none of your activities will be saved in history, cookies, or cache. The second method is installing an extension called History On Off, which blocks Chrome from saving history. To install it, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Then, go to Extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find all available extensions for Chrome. Once on the Chrome Web Store, type History On Off in the search bar and press Enter. Click on the first result, then click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. After installing, return to your browser window. Click on the extensions icon in the top right corner, and then click the pin icon next to the extension you just installed. This will add the extensions icon to the extension toolbar, allowing you to access it quickly. Now, you can click the icon to toggle between enabling or disabling history saving. When the icon displays an X, it means that Chrome will not save your browsing history. If there's no X, history saving is enabled. Keep in mind that when you install this extension, third-party cookies will be blocked by default. To enable them again, click on the eye icon and switch the third-party cookies toggle to On. Another alternative is to use Guest Mode. To open it, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome and select Guest. In this mode, Chrome won't save any history, and all browsing data will be automatically deleted when you exit. And that's it. With these methods, you can effectively prevent Chrome from saving your browsing history. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.